Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Mr. Canadian National. We got a eastbound train coming, so please enjoy. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video with me. And if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this train video. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Monday, April the 22nd, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canadian National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.